Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. We are just continuing our series vitamins and minerals, and in today's video we are going to talk about the importance of the supplements for vegans. So what kind of supplements would you need as a vegan, and what is the best way to supplement in these? So let's get started. First of all, going vegan can be a great choice. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's just a lifestyle, and it is one of the most healthiest lifestyles. But the only issue that medical professionals do have when it comes to being vegan is that it may make it difficult to get the right level of nutrients that your body needs. So our body is designed to take in vitamins and minerals from a wide variety of food sources. So when you cut out any food sources, it's going to leave a nutritional gap, and don't worry, we will fill that gap as easily and simply as possible by taking the right supplementation or by focusing on the right foods, so we can fill in the mineral and vitamin nutritional gap. So we will also discover some of the main supplements that you may need if you are following a vegan diet. First of all, and most importantly, we have vitamin B12. So this is the most important vitamin supplement that vegans should take. Vitamin B12. Studies have shown that vegans and vegetarians have the highest risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. This is quite serious because it can lead to anemia. And as you know, in the previous videos, we have talked about the negative impacts of anemia, fatigue, brain fog, also problems with menstrual cycle when it comes to females. It can also, vitamin B12 deficiency can also cause infertility, and in serious cases can cause nervous system damage. So that is something that we are avoiding as vegans. So in order to top up the levels, vegans are advised to consume foods with added B12. Supplementation can also work if you intend to go that way. Just make sure to pay attention to the strength and to the dose before taking them, and always consult your medical practitioner and let them know that you're going vegan or that you are already vegan, and they will advise you on the dosages based on your gender and your age and your weight as well. Another important supplement that you will need to take is omega-3. This is absolutely important, and this is one of the things that vegans are often lacking, unfortunately. So these essential fatty acids are required by the body to keep the brain and the eyes healthy, and they're usually found in food such as oily fish like salmon. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that you do not need to worry, because you can boost your intake naturally by omega-3 using flax seeds, soybeans and walnuts. And the best thing that I found to be helpful is supplementing with flaxseed oil. It is bioavailable to the body, and it is super rich in omega-3 that is essential for energy production, essential for healthy concentration, focus as well. Another thing that you need to supplement for, which is absolutely amazing and essential for the health, is vitamin D. Now vegans are at risk of vitamin D deficiencies, and vitamin D deficiencies are usually caused by a lack of natural sunlight exposure, and it can also be related to the diet as well, because some foods provide vitamin D in small quantities. So you need to make sure you consume foods rich in vitamin D, and also take vitamin D supplementation as well, because if you live in a cold climate where there is less sunlight, like here in Finland and in the northern Europe, you would know the importance of vitamin D on a daily basis. However, as vegans generally have relatively restricted diets, getting any form of vitamin D from food is a lot harder than it is for those who eat animal products. So I would advise you to take a vitamin D supplementation, because it will ensure you do not develop a vitamin D deficiency. Another really important supplementation to keep in mind is iron. Iron deficiency is quite common among many people, and it also occurs much more frequently in vegans because, as we said, they do have a restricted diet. So this is also because that there are two types of iron that the body needs. We have the heme iron and the non-heme iron. The heme iron is only found in animal products, whilst the non-heme iron is found in plants. So vegans will only get one source of iron, which leaves them deficient in the heme iron, the type of iron that they do not get because they do not consume the animal products. So the type of iron they do get from plants is also a bit harder for the body to absorb. So there's a little bit of debate going on here regarding this. So as a vegan, you do need to consume more non-heme iron foods to make up for the deficiency, and supplements can prove to be really helpful in keeping your iron levels up and your energy as well active and all healthy and good to go. So I also recommend as a vegan to supplement with spirulina or chlorella or moringa, and you also have wheatgrass as well. Absolutely amazing. If you can just supplement with at least one of these, it will be great because it will provide you with anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants, as well as a rich list of vitamins and minerals that your body needs and that your body will recognize because they are bioavailable. So make sure you look these up, or you go ahead and supplement with at least one of them and take the right doses, because it will do wonders for your whole body and for your sense of wellness. And make sure that you opt to use a organic form of green superfood, because the non-organic ones will be full of pesticides and they will do more harm than good. Finally, we have calcium. Now, many vegans would benefit from taking calcium supplements, and as most sources of calcium are from animal products, it is also easy to not get enough in a vegan diet. So if you're not taking calcium supplements, it is really important to do so. Another thing that you can also take in exchange for a calcium supplement is focus on spirulina. It is rich in calcium that is bioavailable, and it's an excellent source of calcium. Another thing in almonds, also focus on tahini. Tahini is absolutely amazing because it's literally versatile, it's flexible. You can add it to everything from hummus to different sorts of dips and sauces and salad dressings as well, and is full of bioavailable calcium without supplementing with the capsule or the liquid calcium. Another thing that I also wanted to say is the importance of calcium in protecting the teeth and the bones. It makes it crucial for overall health to focus on it. So I advise, if you are deficient in calcium, or if you're basically a vegan, then supplementing or using tahini in your balanced diet. Also using different legumes and beans. One thing that you could also do is spirulina, which is an absolute amazing source of calcium as well as other minerals as well, and I have dedicated a video talking about the power of spirulina to the benefit of the health and detoxifying and so much other benefits that are endless. So we have now come towards the end of the video. I thank you so much if you are still watching. And I just wanted to sum up by saying that although vegans aren't guaranteed to suffer with vitamin and mineral deficiencies, they're still at a greater risk, because as we said, that the diet is quite restricted. And I hope that the information here has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video, and I'd really appreciate a like or a subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.